Welcome to Dowell UX Living Lab. I'll introduce you to our Dowell Login API. It is a comprehensive tool that enables users to log into the Living Lab account. To use the Login API, follow these steps. Sign up, create an account on our platform and obtain your API key. Installation, install the API client library for your preferred programming language, Python, JavaScript, etc. Authentication, use your API key to authenticate your requests. API endpoint, make requests to the designated API endpoint with your input data. Receive session, retrieve the session details from the API response. Discover how the Dowell Login API powers authentication across all products within the Dowell UX Living Lab, including Dowell Workflow AI, Dowell Digital Queue, Dowell Wi-Fi QR Code, Dowell UX Live, Dowell Social Media Automation, Dowell CX Live, Living Lab Scales, Dowell Logo Scan, Dowell LegalCert, Dowell Living Lab Maps, Dowell Permutation Calculator, Dowell Live Stream Dashboard, Dowell Living Lab Chat, Dowell Team Management, Dowell QR Code Generator, and Dowell Voice of Customers. If you want to learn more for our APIs, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates from Dowell.